we are meeting Cosima Kaye, author of the installation called in French Séparé Ensemble. And with this installation, which involved our LinkUP sofa, you created a very unique chill-out zone. Could you tell us why you chose the form of a shell?
Well, it was not as simple as that. I started to have other ideas, and so I started building the roof above the bench. And then when this was finished, it suddenly came to me that it could continue until the floor and build a whole room. So it was really a prototype, kind of doing or building by doing situation. It wasn't, I didn't know before.
Tell me, do you think that people really need in offices such chill-out places?
Oh yeah, I do think so. I mean, nowadays you have open offices, so you're always with the others, and I think it's really nice if you can separate yourself and just have a calm moment. And this little hut gives this little, your own space for a little time. And you can also take it apart, so you can take the shell off the bench, and then it makes a different room further where you can put a seat inside, and so it's not your own room anymore. So that's why it's called Séparé Ensemble, which means separated together.